it's time to install some irrigation. All right, YouTube, well, I'm here with Alex. As you guys can see in the background, irrigation's going in. And just wanted to, we told you guys we would share the process with you. It's happening this morning, so just stay tuned. I mean, it's gonna be a little bit disjointed because I can't get in these guys way too much. They're trying to get some work done, but just want to let you guys see that we are documenting the process. We're showing you guys everything that's happening to the lawn, so stay tuned for some more good footage. So as you guys can see, he's attaching the piping, the main water piping to the ditch witch. So I guess we're gonna see here in a second how they use the tool to draw the pipe through the lawn without doing too much damage. It's super loud, really loud. So you guys can see he's drawing the piping through with the wiring attached here, which is by the driveway, and it goes all the way around here to the main. You see these guys actually feeding it in. Really, really, really cool process. It's crazy how little damage it does to the turf. I mean, it's raised a little bit here, but once you like stamp that down, water it, you know, and then and just give it some time to settle, you're really gonna notice a difference at all. That's really, really cool. Again, first time I've ever actually seen a process like this actually happen. It's actually pretty interesting. You guys can see how he's rolling over it with the ditch witch to kind of compact it down. So he just finished pulling that section and he's kind of rolling over it with that heavy machine to try and stamp down the area that was just pulled up by the ditch witch, by the process of pulling the piping. Really cool. Again, if you look at the after result, it's really not that bad, guys. Like you can, I mean, I'm not sure if it's coming through on camera, but it's raised maybe an inch, not even that much. This is really gonna recover very quickly. Very, very, very cool stuff. So guys, Alex again is getting 4 zones. Everywhere you see this pink little flags on the turf, that's where his sprinkler heads are gonna be. So you can see there's one right here in front of me, one there. Show you guys the front lawn first. One right here, one there, and then further back. So he's gonna have really, really good coverage. Let me take you guys around back now, and I'll show you guys where the sprinkler heads of the coverage is gonna be for the back lawn. So here we are in the back lawn. So the area where the valve box is out here is this location right here. You can see it's still kind of covered by the turf. They're obviously gonna clean that up some, but kind of give you an idea of where those valves are, the sprinkler valves are gonna be. And then as we move around, we can see where all the trenching and the sprinkler heads are gonna end up ultimately being installed. So we see right there, and then we can come around here, the center sprinkler here, and then this guy, and then this guy out here. There's one there by the patio, and there's another one right here. As well as you can see, Alex also opted to have a couple installed out on this side as well too. So you can see all this area here is going to be well irrigated, so should end up with some nice looking turf. There's not going to be an issue with the turf not having enough water. One thing that's coming through, hopefully you guys are able to see this, is how very little the turf is damaged by this. Let me get down here so you guys can kind of take a look. We're talking about, guys, maybe an inch rise there, and keep in mind, none of this has settled as yet. So, you know, I'm as far as whenever we have to top dress this, which is the next step, we're not gonna have to do a lot of work to really clean this up and you know, and cover the areas where the sprinklers or all the piping was put in, which is really good. So if you're considering getting sprinklers installed, make sure they're doing this method. I think it's called I think he said it's the vibratory trench method, because it definitely does a whole lot less damage to the turf. It was really fast. These guys have only been out here for, I don't know, probably four or 5 hours to do the entire lawn. So the next footage you guys are going to see is hopefully seeing the sprinklers running. So it'll be kind of cool. Stay tuned. Okay, YouTube. So I am here with the installer, the guys that actually did the work. It's Mike Cyphers. Mike Cyphers with Rainwater Irrigation. So you can see that's if you need some irrigation work done in the Northeast Georgia area, these are your guys. So Mike, can you just talk us through a little bit, like, so what makes this method of getting stuff installed, getting your sprinklers installed better than like the trench method that I've seen a lot in the past?
It doesn't tear your grass up near as bad, where you just pull the pipe through the ground.
Right.
And then heals within a week to 2 weeks.
So with us going to top dress, so really, how long do you think you know, would it take really for this to, you know, with good watering and like if you snap it down really well? So you think in a couple of weeks we could probably top dress this if we wanted to?
You
or?
can actually top dress it the next day.
Okay, nice. Very good. Well, guys, there you go. You see the guy's got his number right there. So if you guys are looking for someone in the Northeast Georgia area to get some sprinklers installed, definitely give these guys a call. I mean, they were gracious enough to let me film the whole process, and hopefully you guys really enjoy it. The next footage that you guys again will hopefully see is us running the sprinklers. So enjoy. And there you go, YouTube. The guys are doing a test of the zones. You can see the sprinklers running. Look at all that irrigation loveliness. It's pretty awesome. Let's move around. You can tell he's got really good coverage. I'm about to get wet. But it's worth it. It's worth it. It's worth it for you guys to bring you guys this footage. Yeah, that's really nice. I think, granted, I don't know if they've actually tuned, like, as far as like the like how high it's throwing water and the path and all that stuff is yet, but I mean, so but overall, man, that looks good. He's definitely going to have more than enough coverage for his lawn. You can see that's really nice. Have to admit, that is quite nice. I'm excited, guys. This is going to be really good. I mean, now that we got sprinklers in, we got irrigation in. Once we top dress this, oh, you know, I might have to stop helping Alex too much. I mean, he's taking this really seriously. And, you know, as some of you guys in the comments have pointed out, you know, he might pass me up, but that's okay. That's okay. You know, I mean, good lawn. You can never hate on a good lawn, right? So, you know, if he's putting the work in, the lawn's going to come out nice. I am all for it. That is pretty awesome. Well, there you go, YouTube. Alex is one step closer to his golf course lawn. And it's a pretty big step. I mean, installing irrigation is a pretty big commitment, and Alex is up for the challenge. You know, he got the irrigation installed. The guys at Rainwater Lawn Sprinklers did an amazing job. Special thanks to you guys. Thank you so much for being gracious enough to allow me to walk around your work scene while you guys were doing your thing, and let me film so I could capture it for you guys on YouTube. So a special shout out to you guys. And if you guys are looking for someone to do lawns irrigation in the Northeast Georgia area, I'll have their information down in the description. So give Mike and team a call and they will take care of you. Again, it didn't take them very long to get this done, and the work looks really good. I'm really encouraged, and I think that you know, once the turf has some time to settle in and recover, put a top dress down, and then it's game time, guys. It's game time. Well, YouTube, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you're not yet a subscriber, please consider subscribing. I mean, this is a really cool series that I hope is going to help inspire some of you guys to take the challenge of creating a golf course lawn. And perhaps even if you get a small tip or some new nugget out of it that helps you improve your lawn, it's totally worth it. If there's anything that we can help out with, you know, definitely let me know in the comments below. I truly enjoy interacting with you guys. Again, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. I will see you guys next time. Have an amazing day.